and welcome back to my channel, and big thanks to Clovia for sending me cute activewear and some beautiful nightwear dress. I'll talk to you in detail in a little bit, but for now let's have a quick workout.
You sick of all the same dudes running up, follow you around, hope you fall in love, but they don't see.
So these are the items I brought from Clovia, and I'll be sharing today's video of such a good quality, the fitting, the material, however they are made, the designs. I love how they are. I'm so happy whatever I chose and whatever I receive. Also, before I proceed the video, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And now let's quickly get started in today's video.
She's stuck inside my mental. She got a body like a temple. Even though she drives me crazy, I tell everyone that's my baby. She's pretty like a 4K sunset, blue-eyed baby from the Midwest. Body so bad when she undressed. If I was your ex, I'd be upset. Little did he know I was up next. Big brown boy with the big flex. I know that you know I'm the one. She's stuck inside my mental. She got a body like a temple. Even though she drives me crazy, I tell everyone that's my baby. Lately gotta keep my memories on a leash. I know they tend to get a little bit away from me. I keep that.
So this is my everyday routine, and regarding the content, I would appreciate your suggestion. Comment down below what type of video you would like to see in my next. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and liking my video. My goal for today is to complete editing for a brand and send the finished video through email.
This kitchen is a little deceptive, so I've been on the hunt for a sword / they are not cheap, okay? So I had to get.
So guys, now it's pretty dark outside and it's time for me to wash my face. Today is Saturday and I just want to have my time while my husband goes to the gym and do some skincare. So I thought today I would just, reveal my skincare items and what I do to, have a glowing skin. But that's what I really want to achieve, and I am constantly working on my skin's texture because my skin is rough and has a lot of bumpy, even if you can't see on the camera, but I am trying my best. Well, my daughter is having some fun, so yeah, I'll take my feet and show you my skincare for the nighttime. And first of all, I'm going to use this face wash that I got it from Innisfree. So this is how my bare face looks like, and I put a little bit of lip tint because I look super dead and I really don't want to show my super dead face in front of you guys. So yeah, that's it. So I just wet my face, as you can see. So teeny does the work, so I just want to use this one because I'm not putting any makeup on my face, and that's the reason why I use a little amount, or else I might double because makeup residue really gets stuck into your skin and it's not, appropriate to use just a small amount. So I'm just gonna trust me, this facial is super nice. Like, I just can't really even explain it to you. It just feels so amazing and so smooth, so nice. Okay, done. I'm just gonna wash your face. So guys, I'm done with my cleansing, and this is how my bare face looks like right now. There was a lot of echo on my bathroom, so I had to come and film here. So okay, the next step I'm going to put on my face is, since it is nighttime, I wanted to use this vitamin C serum from Mamaearth. It does work like wonders to my skin. I don't know, it just matches with my skin. So I pump a few drops. So I put a few drops and just gonna massage my face. So when I massage this way, I prefer not using the other side of my because I'm handling the bottle back then, and I don't want to massage my bare hands and these dirty hands back on my face. So I'm just using my one hand and then slightly massaging my forehead. Guys, let me know what type of video you would like to see on my channel, and thank you so much for watching my video till the end. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.